Welcome to eduworld360.in, applying to a UK university or college. In today's video, we explain the very first step towards obtaining a study visa for higher education in the United Kingdom for undergraduate and postgraduate programs. 1. Research and choose your course and university. Start by exploring various universities and courses that match your academic interests and career goals. Contact eduworld360.in and send them the study program you wish to pursue so that they recommend the most suitable colleges or universities that offer that program. Select a few universities that offer the course you are interested in and align with your academic and professional aspirations. 2. Application process. For undergraduate courses, eduworld360.in will submit your application on your behalf to the selected university or college and inform you of the response from that university or college. For postgraduate programs, apply through eduworld360.in. Alright, let's talk about the required documents for your application. First up, academic transcripts and certificates. You need to submit copies of your academic transcripts and certificates from your previous education. For example, high school for undergraduate applicants or a bachelor's degree for postgraduate applicants. Next, the Statement of Purpose, or SOP. This is a personal essay where you explain your motivation for choosing the course and university, your academic background, career goals, and how the program aligns with your aspirations. Be clear, concise, and honest. Highlight your achievements, experiences, and how the course will help you achieve your goals. Moving on to letters of recommendation. Typically, you'll need 2 or 3 letters from teachers, professors, or employers who can vouch for your academic and personal qualities. Proof of funds is also essential. For tuition fees, show proof that you can pay the tuition fees for your course. This can include bank statements, scholarship letters, or sponsorship letters. For living expenses, provide evidence that you have sufficient funds to cover your living expenses for the duration of your studies. The amount required is approximately £1,334 per month if you are studying in London and £1,023 per month if you are studying outside London. This amount may change from time to time. Lastly, proof of English language skills. Most UK universities require proof of English proficiency. Commonly accepted tests include IELTS, TOEFL, and PTE Academic. Make sure to check the specific English language requirements on the university's website, as the required scores can vary depending on the course and university. And there you have it, the essential documents you need for your application. Receiving offers. If you receive a conditional offer, it means you need to meet certain conditions, such as achieving specific grades or providing additional documents, before your place is confirmed. An unconditional offer means you have met all the requirements and your place at the university is confirmed. Confirmation of acceptance for studies, or CAS. After meeting the conditions of your offer, if any, you may need to pay a deposit. Once the university receives this, they will issue a confirmation of acceptance for studies, or CAS. The CAS is a unique reference number that you need for your visa application. It includes your personal details, course information, and other relevant information. This detailed explanation covers the first step in obtaining a study visa for the UK, which involves applying to a university or college and gathering the necessary documents. Each step is crucial in ensuring that your application is complete and meets the requirements of the institutions and the UK visas and immigration, or UKVI. Important. Although we have covered most of the points in the first step towards a study visa to the United Kingdom, the Home Office keeps on updating its visa requirements, which will be applicable at the time of filing your study visa. In the next video, we will cover the visa process in obtaining the study visa in the United Kingdom. Share and subscribe to our channel and give your feedback and views in the comments section below. Thank you from eduworld360.in.